everyone. I'm Dr. B. Sasikala, Assistant Professor, Department of Management. Today's video, we are going to see the concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or group of individuals undertaken to initiate, maintain, or earn profit by production or distribution of economic goods and services. Entrepreneurship is related to coordination, innovation, and performance of the enterprise. It is a system of creating new business. Entrepreneurship is referred to various activities done for the establishment and operation of an enterprise. Now let us see who is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur has three dimensions. One, entrepreneur as an organizer. Two, entrepreneur as a risk bearer. And three, entrepreneur as an innovator. There are 5 steps in entrepreneurial process. Number 1, discovery. The stage in which entrepreneurs generate new ideas, recognize opportunities, and studies the market. Number 2, concept development. Entrepreneur develop the business plan along with the business proposal describing the business ideas. Number 3, resourcing. The stage where entrepreneur looks for financial, human, and capital resources for starting up the venture. Number 4, actualization. The stage in which entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes the resources to achieve its goal and objectives. Number 5, harvesting. The stage in which entrepreneur decides the future growth and the development. There are 15 types of entrepreneurs. Let us see one by one. Small business entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who operates business on small scale, like petty shops and local restaurants. Number 2, scalable startup entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who aims to create high growth startups that scale rapidly, starting from venture capital funding. Number 3, social entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who mainly focus on solving the social, cultural, and environmental problems. Number 4, innovative entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who create new product and new services with their new ideas. Number 5, hustler entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who know for their hard work and persistence and start the business with the minimal resources. Number 6, imitative entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who run the business by copying existing business ideas and products. Number 7, research entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs who are highly knowledgeable and have research experience in their field. Number 8, serial entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who launch multiple business over their career and shift from one business to another. They are also called seasonal entrepreneur. Number 9, lifestyle entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who build business according to their personal interest, seeking their work-life balance and passion projects. Number 10, corporate entrepreneur. They are also called intrapreneur, who works within a large organization, uses the company resources to develop the new product or services. Number 11, ecopreneurs. They are the entrepreneur who focus on creating environmentally sustainable business. Number 12, tech entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur who specialize in technology sector, such as software, hardware, and technology services. Number 13, cultural entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who follow cultural norms in their business, such as art, media, and education sector. Number 14, co-entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur who partners with others to run the business. Number 15, necessity entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who start business out of necessity. These are the various concepts of entrepreneurship that lead to growth and success of business in our country. Thank you.